Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add link to your bio over on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. And first of all, open up your TikTok application on your device and simply log in with your account. Now normally you select edit bio to add anything to your bio. And you can also paste the link in it, but it won't be clickable. So to make it clickable, what you need to do is simply go back and click on the hamburger menu present at the top right corner. Now select settings, go to your account and change your account to business account. This will take a few seconds and your account will become a business account. And choose a category for your account's purpose and skip every other formality. Now just go back to your bio section and a new tab will appear in which you can add website link. Here you can just add your link in your bio over on TikTok, and that's how you can add your link to your TikTok bio. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.